GATE 2012 Civil Engineering Question 41. Wheat crop requires 55 cm of water during 120 days of base period. The total rainfall during this period is 100 mm. Assume the irrigation efficiency to be 60%. The area in hectares of the land which can be irrigated with a canal flow of 0.01 meter cube per second is. The four options given are A 13.82, B 18.85, C 23.04 and D 230.4. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed. So the relation between duty and delta is given by D equals 8.64 B by delta. Here D is the duty of the crop which is measured in hectares per cubic. B is the base period which is measured in days, and delta is the depth of water supplied to the crop which is measured in meters. So assuming there is a crop field on which crops have been grown and water is being supplied at a rate of 1 meter cube per second. So the total quantity of water that would be supplied is W equals Q, that is 1 meter cube per second, into it is being supplied for B days, so every day has 86,400 seconds. So we have converted the days to seconds. So using this we would get B into 8.64 into 10 to the power 4 meter cube of water. Second relation of water we would get from duty and delta. So it would be B into delta. Since measured in hectares per cubic, so cubic here is 1 meter cube, but the area is measured in hectares, so that would be 10 to the power 4 and this would be meter cube. Comparing equation 1 and equation 2, we would get B into 8.64 into 10 to the power 4 equals D into delta into 10 to the power 4. Using this we would get the value of D as 8.64 B over delta. In this case we have been given the base period of the crop as 120 days. The rainfall that is happening is 100 mm. The total crop water requirement C is given as 55 centimeters. The efficiency of irrigation is mentioned as 60% and the discharge is given as 0.01 meter cube per second. So using the relation of duty and delta, that is D equals 8.64 B by delta. So duty is nothing but A by Q, that would be equal to 8.64 into B, that is given as 120 days, divided by the delta. So delta here would be equal to C minus R, because the crop water requirement will be fulfilled both by rainfall and irrigation. So we need to find the net water requirement that we need to provide using irrigation. So we will have to subtract the rainfall. So it is 55 centimeter minus, we will take this in centimeters, so 100 by 10, so that would become 45 centimeters. So substituting this value here we would get 0.45. We will substitute the value in meters. So now we have obtained D, but D is equal to A by Q. So A we will have Q into 8.64 into 120 by 0.45. Q is given as 0.01 into 8.64 into 120 by 0.45, which would give the area requirement as 23.04 hectares. Now we know that this area would be fulfilled when the efficiency is 100%, but in our case the efficiency is only 60%, so the effective area will be equal to the area into efficiency. So that would be 23.04 into the efficiency percentage, that is 60 by 100. So this would give us the value 13.82 hectares. That will be the effective area that can be irrigated. So the area of the land which can be irrigated with a canal flow of 0.01 meter cube per second is 13.82 hectares, that is option A. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed.